Where is anything being done outside of AI? I mean, it's everything about artificial intelligence for you right now.
Well, thank you, Carolyn, for having me here. Yes, we view AI as a revolution on the order of mobile, the smartphone technology, cloud computing, the internet itself. We've even had a few of our experts in-house think of it as the impact on society, similar to electricity. And so we are all in on AI as M12's investment arm. We are Microsoft's venture fund, a CVC, thesis driven. So the other areas that we do cover are cybersecurity. We have the GitHub fund, which is focused on developer tools. And oh, look, there's our portfolio companies. We invest in infrastructure, deep tech, as well as enterprise applications.
Now, it's quite an expensive place to be investing right now for AI, amazingly, considering the macroeconomy, and it's also pretty competitive. What is your edge? I mean, in lots of ways, we started to see big corporates come in because they can offer basically the compute power. Is that something that really has set you apart?
Yeah, this is actually a golden age for corporate venture capital, particularly with Gen AI. Founders are looking for access to customers. So in the enterprise right now, there's a lot of excitement. So we're seeing about 60% of enterprises say they want to adopt AI technology and then needing to have sort of the right partners. So that's one aspect for us. We also, as you mentioned, have access to technology. So we just announced an AI supercomputer, dedicated GPUs for M12 portfolio companies. And you see this as well with NVIDIA and Salesforce's investments as well. So for us, we look to connections, customer access, helping these companies get go-to-market ready, selling to the enterprise, as well as the compute.
I want to dig in on that supercomputer. It's interesting. Access to compute is something we talk about on the show all the time. It's great having the supercomputer be built in the first place. Who pays for it on an ongoing basis so that your portfolio companies and founders can have access to that compute?
Well, what I can tell you right now we're offering this as a way for our companies to start experimenting with their training. And it is free for a certain time, but we are a business, so eventually there'll be a pay-in for that as well.
Michelle, real quick, give us an example of something that you've invested in that down the road has ended up becoming a part of Microsoft or the technology that Microsoft uses.
Yeah, so one actually recent example here is InWorld. We invested 2 years ago. I knew the founders from Google, and this is a company that's focused on non-player characters, so AI characters in the gaming space. And we just announced a multi-year co-development partnership with Microsoft. This is about a year in the making, and our team worked very hard to ensure that this partnership came together. This will now allow game developers on Xbox to have access to almost an AI gaming co-pilot, which will help them with prompting for different scripts and help building their game development. So that's one example, but we have several others.